All right, Rich Robin here, guys. Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I am going to walk you through our Texas 1845. We call it the Texas 1845 model because one, we are in Texas, and two, Texas 1845 is a historical date in the state of Texas. Great price, a lot of pit for the 1845. It's going to come with your flange doors, your nice tight Gator Pit seals, your lower sliding meat racks, your angle frame half upper removable rack, your all steel welded front shelf, your temperature gauge, Gator gauge, commercial quality, stainless steel cool touch handles, again your flange doors, your Gator badging, Gator logos, your adjustable stack. There's a side access door over here to access the bottom of this pit. 2 reasons to clean out, and also guess what? It has a charcoal grate down there that is framed out in angle, 1/4 inch thick steel. That is in case you want to grill in this pit, you have that ability. So it is a smoker and a grill in one pit. It's got a heavy duty 2x2 angle frame legs. We got a 1/4 inch thick Firebox, 20 by 20, 20 diameter, 20 long. Fully flanged Firebox door, stainless steel cool touch handles, dial style air intake vent, and once again, it has a fire grate in here that is extremely heavy. Framed out in angles, 1/4 inch thick, reinforced in the middle. Why do we reinforce it in the middle? Because that's where it burns out, right? Anybody's had one of these offsets with a fire grate in it, your weak point over the years is right here. You put this in there, and guess what? You're getting a lot more burn time out of this before you'll ever need to replace it. Gator Pit's Experience. Log rack down there I told you about, framed in 2x2 angles. Again, beautiful pit. 20 inches by 40 on the main chamber. Looking at it, you'll be able to get easily 8 pork butts in here, and you'll get 4 to 5 briskets in there. Gives you an idea of the capacity of it. All right, this is not a small cooker. It's a great cooker for the backyard, for the house, for the lake house, the ranch. It'll cook a quantity of meat. If you're serving a lot of people, again, 4 to 5 briskets will serve a lot of people, right? And you still have the top rack up here to be able to put racks of ribs on, chicken quarters or pieces, and sausage, jalapeno poppers, what that ability to do it. This is a beautiful pit. I'm going to walk the camera around it and let you look at it up close and personal, because I like to put my HD cameras up close and personal on my pits for my viewers, because I am not ashamed to show you the quality and craftsmanship and how fine these pits look up close and personal in an HD camera. So here we go. Look at those door cut lines. Perfect straight edges, clean, smooth, not jagged, ragged. Look at the wells, beautiful beads. Beautiful beads there. Heavy construction, nice tight doors, no gaps in my doors. Your Firebox. Walking on around here. The back side. There's my contact information, guys, right there. The Texas 1845. Gator Pit of Texas, Texas 1845. This is it, guys. Beautiful, 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 and heavy. Ooh, you heard that door? Heavy, solid. Listen to all this. Solid. Here, I'll get down on it, you hear it. That's some weight, guys. This pit weighs about probably it's close to 500 actually. Party Gator weighs, my Party Gator model, which is actually what this is based on, weighs in around 530, 540. This one's not much less in features or weight or steel construction, so you're still going to be 500 pounds on it, guys. That's a monster of a pit. This is not your box store retail pit. Custom Gator quality pit. Custom Gator quality, man. Custom Gator quality. Robin. I'm Rich Robin. See ya.